welcome back again. Today's video will be doing the part 2 of the two-piece top and trouser. If you have not watched the part 1, that's the cutting tutorial, please go and watch it in my channel first before watching this. So this is the sewing part. So this is the lining. We will start with the top or blouse. I made the lining 1 inch shorter than the normal fabric because I'll be using it to turn it. So I will turn this to the right side. I will lay this against. I reduce the lining by 1 inch. I will use half inch to stitch the bottom part. After stitching it, I will push it up. That is why I reduce the lining by 1 inch. I will push it up to meet the neckline here. I will stitch the neckline with 1/4 of an inch and stitch the side with 1/4 of an inch. I will turn it right from the armhole. I will do the same thing for the back side. I'm done using the lining to turn the dress. After stitching the button, I push it to the neckline. By the time you push it up from the lower part, it will align with the neckline here. So I'll be attaching the zip. This is the back. I will turn it right side facing right side. So my zip is up to here. I will stitch up this place with 1 inch. Then attach my zip here. I'm done attaching the zip. So we'll go ahead and then join the front and the back together. Right side facing right side. Remember, we are making slits on both sides. I will use half inch to stitch the shoulders. I will take this back one, using to turn it like so. Stitch it. I will do the same thing for this side. I will measure from shoulder to my waistline. This is shoulder to waistline. Our sewing allowance is 1 inch. I use 1/4 of an inch to turn the fabric. So I'm left with 3/4 of an inch. I will use 3/4 of an inch to stitch it up to 18 inches here. I will stitch here also up to 18 inches. So this side will be open and the other side will be open. I'll use a hemming gun to fold this side. I will iron 3/4 of an inch on this side and 3/4 of an inch on the other side. After I've done that, I will join the sleeve together. I will fold 1/4 of an inch like so and fold 1 inch. I will stitch it like so and stitch it with 1 inch as my sewing allowance. If you're making it, you add half or 1 inch ease at the waistline so that it can be free a little bit. So we'll go ahead and attach the sleeves. I also join the sleeves together. I will turn the sleeve to the right side and turn the dress to the wrong side. So I will tuck the sleeve inside, right side facing right side. I will use half inch to join them together. After I've done that, I will join the crotch line. So I'm bringing out the trouser now. I'll use half inch to join the crotch line. This is the front side. I think I'll be adding the zip to the back side. I wanted to add side zip. I'll be adding the zip to the back side. Unfortunately, I did not add the zipper allowance. I'm supposed to add zipper allowance here. So if I'm adding back zip, I'll just use half inch to add the zip. So I'll stitch it right from here with half inch. I'll leave about 10 inches on stitch. I'll be adding back zip here. I finished attaching the sleeves to the top. This is the back. I also stitched the trouser crotch. So I just use pin to hold this side. I'll be attaching zip to this 10 inches. I will join them together, right side facing right side. I will join the side with half inch. and join this side with 1/2 inch. I will also stitch the crotch together. I will open up the seam, match them together. I will open it up like so. I usually stitch from here. I will double stitch it. I will stitch it all the way to the other side and go to this side and stitch it all the way to this down part. I'm done stitching the side and the crotch area. My folding allowance is 2 inches. I will fold it with 1/4 inch and fold it inside again and stitch it round. So I'm going to be attaching the band. I cut out 5 inches band. Folded into 2 is 2.5 inches. 2 inches is a waistband. I added 1/2 inch for sewing allowance. That's 2.5 inches folded into 2. When you open it, you have 5 inches. I used the waist measurement to cut it out. 34 inches. I added about 1 inches to it. That's 35 inches. So I will go ahead and use 1/2 inch to stitch this side. I will stitch it up to here. I will remain about a 1/2 inch on stitch. I will stitch this side also up to here. I will remain about 1/2 inch on stitch. Now I've finished stitching the side. After stitching it, I turned it inside out and gave it a good press. I went ahead and ironed 1/2 inch inside, just on one side. I will go ahead and attach it to the waistline. So I will stitch it like so with 1/2 inch. After stitching it round, I will turn it like so. I'll use this to cover up the 1/2 inch and stitch it round. I'm done attaching the waistband to the waistline. We're almost done. We'll go ahead and attach the zip. Now we attach my zip here. I'll stitch this side and turn it to the other side and stitch it. We're done attaching the zip. I've also hemmed the bottom part. We're done with the top and the trouser. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're here for the first time. I will see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.